In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your domain in WP Engine for the year 2015. Let's make sure your website is up and running smoothly on the WP Engine platform by guiding you step by step through the process of connecting your custom domain. First, you'll need to log into your WP Engine user portal. This is where you'll manage your website environment and make modifications. Navigate to the WP Engine homepage and enter your credentials. Once you're inside, select the specific website environment for which you want to add a domain. This involves choosing from your list of environments, so make sure you have the right one in mind before proceeding. Next, take a look at the left-hand menu and click on Domains. This menu is your go-to for all domain-related tasks within WP Engine. After you've clicked on Domains, you should see an Add Domain button. Go ahead and click that, and you'll start the process of adding your custom domain to your site. Now that you've hit Add Domain, you'll be prompted to click Next. This is a crucial step, as it will display important DNS instructions that you need to follow carefully. These instructions are essential for configuring your domain settings correctly, so it's worthwhile to take a moment and ensure you understand what's required. If you find DNS settings a bit overwhelming, don't worry. Take your time and feel free to reach out to your domain provider for assistance if needed. Following that, you'll be entering your custom domain name. Simply type in your domain, such as yourdomain.com, and make sure it's spelled correctly. Double checking here can save a lot of hassle later on. Moving forward, you will need to decide between a CNAME or an A record. This decision will depend on your specific domain provider's requirements and the setup you have for your web service. Understanding the difference between these two is important. CNAME records allow for more flexibility and are often easier to manage, whereas A records are direct mappings of your domain to an IP address. Lastly, after making your selection and saving your settings, you'll need to wait for DNS propagation. This process can take several hours, so patience is key. During this time, your domain settings are being updated across the internet, connecting your domain with your WP Engine hosted site. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added your domain to WP Engine. This setup means your website is now ready to be accessed through your custom domain, showcasing your unique content to the world. If all went smoothly, you should soon see your site live at your specified domain. Thanks for watching and happy website building!